A U-Haul loaded with stolen windows and 3 suspects in custody. How did a routine retail theft turn into an organized crime case? On December 8, 2023, Palm Beach County Sheriff's deputies responded to an active shoplifting call at a Florida Home Depot. Deputies coordinated ground units, loss prevention, and an aviation helicopter to track the crew in real time. After securing the U-Haul driver and a female accomplice, deputies carried out a high-risk felony takedown. They arrested the primary suspect.
Stay in front of the car, man. Stay in front of the car.
Stay right there.
Keep your hands up. Keep your hands up. Put your hands on the van. Keep your hands on the van, okay? Thank you. You got her, I'll take him? All right. Keep your hands on the vehicle.
Put your hands behind your back.
What I do? What I do, sir? What did I do?
You're being detained right now for suspicion of theft.
Oh, I didn't do nothing.
Okay.
Hang up that phone call.
Okay.
All right, we got 2 in custody here. He was trying to call the 3rd guy, I'm sure.
Okay.
He's over here. What's he talking about?
You don't know. Lean up against us. Lean up against that. Freddie, do you want...
Let me check with Ernst. Let me see what he's doing. Hey, Ernst, what do you got?
Can you see him more windows?
He's filling up more windows?
Lean up against the car, please.
He's still filling up. Let's get one in green and white here.
Yeah, let's try to get the green and white over here.
He's still filling up. He said he's getting green. He's filling up the whole car.
Oh, okay. Merry Christmas.
You there?
Oh, no.
We got these 2 in custody already?
For what?
He's got 10 in the van right now. They got you for a bunch of bleach and cleaning products too.
Did you search him? Where's the keys to the vehicle? Yeah. He's driving the vehicle?
Yeah. That ID or credit card in the pocket. Is that your ID or credit card? Credit card?
My personal card.
Okay. You got a wallet or anything in there, man?
No, I ain't.
You got a... He has your phone. Can you lean against the car? I'll tell you what's going on if you just chill, man. Those handcuffs come off as quick as they go on, okay? So as soon as this is under control...
See, I got 3 fingers I can put in here.
Turn around.
What's good? Now, you see how I look right there? That's all I'm saying. It hurts.
Right, lean against the car. Thank you.
Yeah, I got a loss prevention officer watching now.
What's your first name?
You know.
What is it?
You know.
K-E?
You know.
What's your last name?
I got a helicopter overhead that's going to watch him. What door is he going to walk out of? By returns, that's what side is that? The west side or east side? Okay. So Eagle, he's making his way up towards the front of the store. He's going to walk out of the west entrance.
Which is closest to the garden center. Not the garden center itself. The one that's got the Home Depot writing on top of it.
He'll have a flat cart full of windows.
I think I was wrong. That's it. Me too.
Can you spell it for me?
Okay. He's definitely involved though, right? Hey, his phone should be ringing. He knows he's being followed in the store. He's on the phone trying to call that number. All right, the guy in the store knows the gig is up, and he's walking out empty-handed, and we have PC to arrest him.
Do you want me to just put him in the car? Do you have a... Got it. Yes, ma'am.
My purse goes over.
Yeah. We'll address all your stuff as soon as we get this under control, okay?
Okay.
All right. I told you. It's
It's going to be the
Figure out what's
male,
going on, I'll let you-
black male that just walked out. He's got a shirt hanging off his shoulder, walking northbound in the parking lot.
I'm gonna go make sure it's fine.
where is he? Oh, yeah.
Canada 13, can you advise substance 2?
Yeah, I'm still trying to figure out what's going on.
Canine right there.
Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Keep your hands up. Keep your hands up. Keep your hands right there. Good. Keep your hands on the car. Keep your hands on the car.
All right, positive ID from the clerk. He said that's him.
Keep your hands up. Turn around. Turn around. Walk backwards. Come back to me. Walk back to me. Keep coming. Keep coming. Back here. Chill. No.
All right, we got him in custody.
What would you like to say?
Okay, I was doing this.
Yep.
Okay, I was
Here.
legal, and I was helping him. And he needed it because I got caught before, so I was making a big load and wait for y'all to come, so everybody can, you know what I'm saying?
Oh,
So-
you knew we were coming.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Oh, okay,
Because
okay.
they wanted, when they arrested me,
Uh-huh.
we just worked with them. They didn't want us to little fool.
Can we put him?
They didn't want us as a little fool.
Yeah.
They want-
Can we just go back over there? Oh, why didn't you call us?
I can't because I have a certain person that I contact that's with Home.
Yeah, your friend.
No.
Yeah.
With Home Depot.
Can I put him in here?
No, with Home Depot. The only thing I was told was to make sure that y'all was here already. And if you didn't say nothing, then I saw the other
Have
guy.
a seat.
So when I saw the other guy in there, I said, okay. Then
Well, you should have called us.
no, I couldn't call y'all.
I know, you're calling your friend.
No. Can I get my call, please?
Yeah, I'm gonna get
I'm
it.
trying to tell you, it's not him I was calling for that.
You were
I
calling
was
him.
calling him to see if y'all got here yet or not. And then when he didn't answer, I saw the other guy right there behind me.
Just turn around.
So I said, okay, I can't turn it.
Okay. That works.
Let me go.
No,
I ain't going no. I'm right here.
I know you're not. As long as I'm holding here, you're not going anywhere.
So let me go. I'm sitting on the car. He got a hold of me.
It's okay, sir.
You made me feel weird. Why gotta be?
Listen, you can't beat this director of stolen death. Look at this.
He said he was waiting in the store for us.
A notepad with so.
He said he was waiting for us. It was just he was getting set up.
Oh my God.
Do we have a car to put her in?
We will.
Well, so she's gonna have a notepad.
Let's give him my doctor's stuff and everything. That's all.
This is just your doctor's.
Yeah, see.
The guy over there had one too, and it was just his stealing list. So I just wanted to
Oh,
make sure.
no, but anyway.
Just your doctor's.
You see.
Oh,
see.
windows. I thought you cleaned.
That's him.
Windows.
But it's go for real. You keep looking. Anybody see?
I am keep looking, but I found windows. So you said it was doctor's appointments, but I see windows written here. So I'm just.
That was.
This looks like his. So I just wanted to make sure. Just doctors. Let me ask if you want some. Where I'm gonna put this hers with his. Is that okay? All right, I'm gonna read you your rights, okay? Because like I said, I want to ask you a question, but I don't want you to say anything or not want to answer me. You know what I'm saying? All right, you have the right to remain silent, not answer any questions. Do you understand your rights? Okay. Who are these men to you? Friends, brothers, boyfriends, acquaintances? Are they
Personal, no, not just.
from the street?
Stay in one house.
Okay, you stay in a room in a house, you said?
Yeah.
Do they stay at the same house? Yeah. What's the older guy? Would you know his name?
The only thing is after.
What is it?
It's
Antonio. Did he say what he wanted the windows for? Is he selling them?
Yes, I'm very sure that's what he's doing.
Do you know where he's selling them?
No, man. Don't know. Never say it because
Does he bring the windows back to your house? Sometimes?
sometimes.
Sometimes. Who wrote that in your ledger right there?
that platform was there was a guy who did the house.
All right. Do me a favor. Just come stand right here for me. Okay, lean up against this car.
I don't.
All right, just relax, okay?
The driver said he was only providing transportation. Can someone escape criminal culpability when a vehicle is full of stolen goods? Under Maryland v. Pringle, finding contraband in a vehicle can establish probable cause to arrest all occupants who are part of the same enterprise. Furthermore, phone records and active calls to co-conspirators undercut his transportation defense.
All right, Kino. I know you were asking what's going on, okay? I'm going to read you your rights, okay? Because I don't want to ask you something or you ask me something and you not know your rights, okay?
I'm trying to figure out why am I getting arrested?
I know.
I ain't still nothing.
All right. You have the right to remain silent, not answer any questions. Do you understand your rights? Yes? Okay. So, what's going on is we received a call that there was someone in Home Depot stealing today, okay? That's how we got the call. No, did I say who? I didn't say who? Okay. So with that information, we obviously came here. They said that they were in a U-Haul, i.e. this U-Haul right here that we were looking at, right? And they said that there was a young male helping the other male load up windows into the back of the U-Haul. First of all, these are just roommates to you, just from what I'm gathering. Is that correct or not correct?
I don't even know. That's all. I don't even know.
You don't know if they're roommates?
No, I don't know. I don't stay with them.
Okay, so do they stay with someone you're related to, perhaps? Is that possible?
Yeah, probably, yeah.
Okay. Do you know what's the guy's name over there? Do you know it? Older guy? You don't know it? Did he tell you to come to this Home Depot?
Yeah.
He told you to come to this Home Depot? Did he tell you for what?
No, he was just like, can you take me? I was like, my uncle got a U-Haul. My uncle was like, you'll take him? I'll take him, no problem. Took him. But I ain't know what the hell was going on. Now you talking about, I ain't stealing. You ain't see me steal. I'm in the car.
I hear you. But here's the issue. You are in this U-Haul with these people that are actively committing crimes, okay? So you're helping load stolen goods into the back of the U-Haul.
How I'm supposed to know they stolen?
So that's why
I help. Okay,
right,
cool.
so,
I'm just slide him in.
So collectively,
I don't. He going in shopping, not me. I don't have his receipt, none of that. That's him. I don't know nothing. That's between him and whatever they got going on.
So
he just
when
asked
we
me to
come
help.
up and you're on the phone with Mr. Antonio.
I wasn't on the phone with him.
He was calling you?
No, he wasn't.
Sure about that?
Yeah. He was. You see what my name said on my phone was said, C-E-D. I ain't calling nobody. His name ain't said. I called said. I ain't calling nobody else.
Why'd you call said?
Cause that's my uncle. Okay. Call my lawyer, cause the way it's looking, y'all came deep. That's how I got picked up the first time. Y'all came deep. Like, what the hell? I ain't even doing nothing. I'm just chilling this time, but I'm just trying to figure out. Like,
okay, well, you said you want your lawyer, so I'm not going to ask you anything further, okay? Just because that was your statement. Okay, you just said call my lawyer. So I'm not going to ask you anything else about today. Fair, okay? However, today you are going to jail, okay, for this incident. All right.
Yes, ma'am.
And Antonio, right?
Antoine.
I'm so sorry. I thought they said Antonio. That is my
probably
apologies. Thank you for not putting that on me.
Antoine, Antonio, Anthony.
Hey, I get it too. I want to ask you questions, okay? And I know you had said some things earlier, right? And if you want to talk, great. I don't want you to say anything that could incriminate you, right? That's just... Yeah, no, you're good. You have the right to remain silent and not answer any questions. Do you understand your rights? Okay. So, I know earlier you were talking about how you ended up here.
Right.
Okay. Do you want to tell me that? I know you mentioned over there, you told him. Do you want to tell me that?
Yeah, because I think you didn't understand what I was saying and trying to get, I was talking so fast. And
right.
I wasn't ready for
nervous. Yeah. I get it.
But I'm trying to do the right thing now.
Okay.
According to the situation where I'm disabled, I live in a rooming house, and unfortunately the rooming house is corrupt. So what they do is they make you do things, and they keep you at base. I just got a phone after a year and a half because when I got ripped off last time, the guy told me at Home Depot or whatever officer they called them inside, they said, we'll take care of the charges. We don't want you guys. We want the ringleader.
Who are these people to you? They stay in the room?
Just like me. Yeah, they stay in the house.
Does this young boy stay there?
Yeah, everybody stay in the house. He has the house on lock.
Who owns the house?
Said on
Said on Isn't said Keno's uncle?
Yeah, was he Keno? See, he uses his family.
Keno does or said?
Said uses his family.
Why did you guys choose this Home Depot?
I choose it because I hadn't came here before.
Gotcha. Where is he selling these windows at?
Right now he's got a regular customer, but he's usually gonna offer up but people just because the other girl that was there, Diana, she had so many customers that when she passed, they still come back to her.
Did Keno know what the deal was when you were coming up here?
I'm telling you, ask him where he's still.
He
knew how to ask me.
I don't know. Yeah, she told me
Yeah, everybody's still.
Yeah. He's trying to distance himself from everything because he thinks he's just far enough away to not get in trouble.
Hey, whose
bag is this?
What is it?
First.
Yeah, I'm sure they can say they didn't know it, but everybody knows everything.
When questioned by deputies, the driver invoked his right to counsel, saying, "Call my lawyer." Under Edwards v. Arizona, officers must stop substantive questioning once a suspect invokes counsel. In contrast, the primary shoplifter waived his Miranda rights and gave a full confession about the fencing operation. The female accomplice claimed coercion, stating residents of their rooming house were forced into retail theft to maintain housing. Under Florida Statute Section 812.014, theft of property valued at $750 or more is a third-degree felony. Under Florida Statute Section 812.015, organized retail theft involving 3 or more people elevates to a second-degree felony at $3,000. Under Florida Statute Section 777.011, anyone who aids, abets, or assists incurs identical felony liability as the principal perpetrator. All 3 suspects were formally booked on multiple felony counts of grand theft and organized retail theft. Lesson learned: being just the driver can carry full principal felony liability. Always assert your right to counsel and remain silent. What are your thoughts on the deputy's multi-unit operation? Let us know in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe.